Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you how to fix the issue on your LG TV, and of course it's a LG TV. This is the remote, and I'll fix the issue where your equalizer is grayed out. So if you can't select the equalizer option and you actually want to customize the sound using the equalizer, I'm going to show you how to fix that in case that the settings is grayed out. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to hit the gear icon on your remote. Once we do, we're going to go down and we're going to select all settings. All right. Then of course it's going to come up. You're going to move to the sound option. You're going to move over, and right here where it says advanced setting is where you can find the equalizer. But notice there, the equalizer is grayed out, and of course that option is not selectable. And of course you can see here you can't really do anything, all right, in terms of the equalizer as it's grayed out. All right, in order to fix this, you're gonna go back and you're gonna check your sound profile. Mine is set to Clear Voice Pro, and of course that's the reason why you cannot mess with the option. So you're gonna select a mode that actually supports the equalizer setting. So if we select, you can set it to standard. That always works. Then you're gonna go back from standard. Then you're gonna go down to advanced settings, and there you go. You can now select the equalizer. All right. So the thing is that it doesn't allow selection when you have certain sound profiles selected. So some sound profiles are not editable, and that's why you're seeing it's grayed out under some options. You can now reset back to defaults as well in case you adjust something in equalizer that you didn't like and you want to return to the default. All right, so that's how to do it on your device. Do hope this was useful, and as always guys, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips, saying bye until next time. Bye.